So there's a couple screws right here that hold in the battery. This is the cable that, pretty sure that's the battery right there. We'll definitely find out here in a second though. But you need like a little 3-prong screwdriver to remove these screws here. And looks like these two need to come off too. That's just a regular Phillips. I think my Phillips are not very good. That might be the only thing holding the battery in. Let's see here. Let's see if this little sticker pops off. Oh, okay, there's the last screw right there. And she should be free. Let's see if this guy will come out. Looks like one more cable holding it down. And does that just pop off too? Looks like that just pops off like that, and there's the battery. Look at that. Even better, you gotta replace the trackpad too, because that pushed up and oh, it'll sit back down now. Well, maybe we won't have to replace that. Just have a couple cracks in it.